All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at i-Blason sent over some cases for the S22 lineup. So, as I stated in my previous video about the S22, the phone I ordered is getting made, so it won't be here until March. But I do have dummy units, and so that's what I'm going to use in this video. So we'll go ahead and put on some of these cases here. This is the Galaxy S22 Plus Aries Rubies. This might be one of those colorful ones. Yep, it is a colorful one. So we know what these look like. We've seen these before. So you got a red one. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool in red. Pop this off here. With the red, you can actually see the shock absorber. Is that what that is? Wow. No, let's pull it open and see. Let's get this frame out of here and see. Okay. I was gonna say, man, that is some serious shock absorption. That's just the white colored paint in there. Looks like they colored this red. So let's grab the Plus model, pop it on here. And man, if you have a black one, this red is gonna look so good with your phone if you decide to buy it. I have links to everything down below. This is a soft touch matte around here, and it feels great. You've got drop protection on each corner. You got this flap here. I don't like these flaps, but they do it like that. You got your speaker cut out and microphone, and the microphone up top. And the phone, it kind of slopes on this case. Like the phone doesn't slope like that, but the case slopes like this. And so it falls into your hand easier. So yeah, here is the other color that they sent over. They sent over purple. And they are a two-tone color, so you can see exactly what that will look like. So pretty nice. Let's put this off right here. And let's move on to the S22, the smaller one. Or we'll just go ahead and go down the line with the S22 Ultra. I gotta get over saying S21 now. All right, so let's put this off to the side and let's grab the Ultra. See what colors you have. You've got green and you've got gray. Obviously, we're gonna go with green. See what it looks like. Yep, looks good. Oh yeah, that's totally different. I didn't know what to expect. All right, that's really nice, folks. On that red though, I wish they would have had the entire thing painted red. Even though you can't see it, I saw it. I can't unsee that now. So let's grab the Ultra. This is a dummy unit for the Ultra. I'll put this on. Looking pretty good. This green is really nice. And again, I appreciate i-Blason sending over some cases to check out. They do it every year, and I appreciate them for it. Now, the Ultra is obviously a little different because you have the bigger camera cutout. It's a bigger phone, but these cases are ultimately all the same because this is the same model. This is the Aries series. It's really nice. You get onto this side, you got your spot for your S Pen. And this one does not have a flap or cover there. And you got your cutout for your S Pen right there. So that's pretty eclectic. And then I'm going to show you the other gray color here. So some of you guys might not want green, but you know what they say about people who pick green. Now here's the gray color. This gray color is absolutely stunning. I thought it was going to be a dark gray, but it's a light gray, and that's absolutely stunning. I love these lighter colors. You can see the two-tone on each case, the different color shade of red and green and gray inside of there. Really, really nice. I really like that. So now I'm going to show you the smaller variant here. Let's see here. You've got gray, black, and green. So let's go with the black one this time. It's looking good. Okay. Looking pretty good. Okay, yeah, the black has a gray trimming inside, and the two-tone is of a gray color right there. So that's pretty nice. That's really nice. So let's get the little dummy unit here for this one, and then I'll let you get on your way. Appreciate Subcase sending these over, these cases. The small S22 is actually it feels really good, folks. I can't wait to get my S22 Ultra in because I picked one of the exclusive colors, and tell me which color you think I grabbed. If you think you know me. So here's the cases right here, man. These are the cases from i-Blason, and these are absolutely just beautiful cases. They're all the same, just cut differently when it comes to the phone it has. So ironically enough, the Ultra doesn't have a flap, and that's great because when I wear this case, or the gray one, I don't like flaps on phones on the bottom. That's the only gripe about these cases. It's these companies who put flaps over the holes there. I don't like it. Sometimes I even cut them off. But anyways, your man Jay, I appreciate them sending these over, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.